welcome to Wondershare Filmora 9. I am glad that you are here and watching this video, because today we are going to go ahead and break down Filmora 9. So we got up in the top left corner here, we have about 7 tabs, and each of those tabs are media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and of course split screen. So if we go all the way back to media, we can see that we have a bunch of media in this tab. This is my media. You can upload your own media by double clicking here in the area here, and it will open up your file explorer, and then you can go ahead and download the media you want to edit in your videoing software Filmora 9. So going on to the next tab, we have audio. Here, Wondershare will give you your own audio for free. If you go to Film Stocks, this will redirect you to the Wondershare website, and then it will go to the Film Stocks area on the Wondershare website. We got titles tab here, and this titles tab is pretty cool because you have 137 titles that you can choose from, ranging from a bunch of stuff like credits and openers and a bunch of stuff. You guys can look through this if you get the Filmora 9 videoing software. Alright. So now going to transition tab, we have about 178 transitions. And in the transition tab, you have a bunch of transitions you can make your videos look really good with. And you can get more from Film Stocks if you wish. Now going on to the effects tab, we have about 245 effects. In here, you can choose your effects ranging from light leaks to a bunch of other ones. Like the next tab we have here is the elements tab. Here, you can go ahead and look at all the elements, and you can actually use these elements to make your titles a bit better in a huge way. And there's 191 of these if you want to use different ones, or you want to use specific ones. There's a bunch to choose from. Going on to the split screen effect, you guys can split screen your videos. You can have a video on one side and a video on the other side to make your videos look really cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial video. If you did, make sure to give this video a like, or maybe consider subscribing to the TheRoughRanger channel. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Until next time, have a great day.
Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video.